Openai has recently unveiled and made available a set of plugins for Chat GPT. These plugins bring a plethora of new tools and capabilities to enhance your Chat GPT experience. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of activating these plugins, checking if they are available for your Chat GPT account, and exploring various options. To get started, log into your Chat GPT account. Please note that you need to have the paid plus version of Chat GPT to access these plugins. If you are using the free version, you'll need to upgrade to access this feature. Once you're logged in, follow these steps to activate the plugins. Click the three dots menu icon. Navigate to Settings. In the Beta Features section, you will find the option to activate plugins. Ensure that it is enabled. If you don't see this option, it means that plugins have not been rolled out to your account yet. In that case, you'll have to wait until they become available, and you can refer back to this video for instructions. Upon activation, you'll notice a new section dedicated to plugins. Initially, this section will be empty, and you'll need to visit the plugin store to add them. Currently, you have 2 out of 3 plugins enabled, but you can customize your selection at any time by enabling or disabling them. The plugin store offers a wide variety of plugins to choose from. You can explore different categories and even sort by popularity to find the most widely used plugins. In the video, the top 8 most popular plugins are demonstrated, offering real-time information, booking flights, and more. One of the showcased plugins provides real-time weather information, which is particularly valuable because ChatGPT doesn't inherently have access to current internet data. Another example demonstrates how you can use a plugin to book a flight from one location to another, simplifying the process and providing pricing details. In conclusion, these plugins open up exciting possibilities for ChatGPT users, bridging the gap between the AI model and external applications. In a future video, I will give you a comprehensive overview of the top plugins and their practical applications. This will help you navigate and leverage these plugins effectively to enhance your ChatGPT interactions. Stay tuned for more insights into these plugins and how they can benefit you.
Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share.